Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the analysis of AC circuits, the series RLC circuits. Okay. The analysis of AC circuits consists of RLC, RL, combination of R and L, a combination of R and C, the series circuits. Okay. Coming to the circuits, the series circuits consist of R, resistance and inductance. The resistance across the voltage is V. The inductance across the voltage is VL. Okay, the source voltage across the applied to the both voltage resistance and inductance. Okay, the AC voltage source of incident voltage V of t equal to Vm sin omega t is connected to the across the series combination of R and resistance and inductance. If sinusoidal input voltage, the sinusoidal input voltage V of t equal to Vm sin omega t is applied to the circuit, the current in the circuit and voltage across the elements are sinusoidal. Both current waveform, voltage waveforms are both are sinusoidal. Assume the current flowing through the L and R, I, and is I amperes, where the I is RMS value of intensity values. During the due to this current and voltage drops L and IR, the voltage across the R. Okay, the voltage across the R is VR. The voltage across the L is VL. Okay, the voltage drops across the R, VR equal to I into R. Okay, so now both are voltage and R. Okay, the voltage across the resistance and voltage drops and current both are in phases. But voltage drops across the VL and VL equal to I into XL. But here the voltage leads by 90 degrees. The voltage across the L leads by the voltage VL leads by leads the current by 90 degrees. Okay, this is a RL series circuit. The first one is phasor diagram of VR and IR. The phasor diagram of VL and IR. Now the final phasor diagram is VR and IR. Okay, the phasor diagram of and voltage triangle for RL series circuits. Okay. Now the applied voltage V is equal to phasor addition of both VR plus VL. And V equal to total voltage equal to the source voltage input voltage V of t equal to VR and voltage across the resistance and VL voltage across the inductance. So V equal to VR plus VL. Substituting the VR equal to I into R, VL equal to I into XL. So now um, apply the Kirchhoff law. The sum of voltage drops must be equal to applied voltage. So Vs equal to integration of root over VR square plus VL square. The phase angle theta equal to tan inverse of VL by IR. The theta is the phase angle between the source voltage and current. Okay, so finally V equal to IR plus IX. So I into R plus JXL. So R plus JXL equal to Z. V equal to I into Z. Okay. Now this is a phasor diagram on the voltage triangle in RL circuits. Okay. The XL and R is total is called as a impedance. Okay. The impedance of RL circuits is impedance of RL circuits are Z equal to R plus JXL. This because of this series circuits combination of R resistance and inductance. And is the polar form equal to rectangular form is equal is form as Z equal to R plus JXL in polar form as Z equal to integration magnitude of Z and integrate and angle is pi. So Z is equal to R square root over R square plus XL square and pi equal to inverse of XL by R. And the voltage and current waveforms. The voltage and current waveforms in this RL series RL circuits, current waveform is IL equal to Im sin omega t. The starting current, the starting waveform is starting at 0 degrees, but in here 90 degrees will start. The V equal to Vm by sin omega t plus 90 degrees. Okay. Both phasor diagrams figure to the evident that supply voltage V leads by current I in the phase angle pi, a current lags behind the voltage by pi. So I equal to Im sin omega t minus pi, V equal to Vm sin omega t. Now the current equal to V of t by Z. Okay, I of t equal to V of t by Z. V of t equal to IR VR plus VR. So V in integration of 0 by Z by Z. Now V by Z equal to Im. Okay, let us V equal to V sin omega t and the expression of intensity phi equal to Im equal to Im sin omega t minus pi. The average power equal to Vi cos pi. In the RL circuits, the average power equal to P average equal to V into I into cos pi. If we represent the RMS voltage and current by V and I, then the average power supply is by series RL circuits, P average equal to V into I into cos pi. The average power is applied to the RL circuits equal to the average power consumed by R plus the average power consumed by L. The finally P average R equal to R and R and R plus JXL. Okay. Now the next one is combination of series resistance and capacitor circuits. Before the topic is the series combination of series RL circuits. Now the series RC circuits. That in the circuits, the combination of volt resistance and capacitance. Okay. Now the voltage sources is applied across the both two elements, the resistance and inductance. The voltage across the resistor is VR. The voltage across the resistor is VC. Okay. Now figure the voltage apply the voltage is V equal to Vm sin omega t and assume the RMS value of current flowing through the capacitance and resistance is equal to I amperes. Because the voltage drops across the resistance is VR equal to IR into R. The voltage drops across the VC equal to I into XC. Okay. In the circuit diagram, when the sinusoidal voltage, the Vs is applied to the RC circuit, the current in the circuit and the voltage across the elements are both are sinusoidal. Voltage waveform and current waveform both are sinusoidal. The resistor voltage across voltage and current are in phase with each other. Okay, voltage across the resistance. The phasor diagram is the whole voltage and current in phases in resistance. But in capacitance, the voltage across the capacitor lags by the current by 90 degrees. The phase angle between the current and capacitor voltage is 90 degrees. In series RC circuits, the current is same through the resistor and capacitor. The resistor voltage is when faced with the current. The capacitor voltage lags behind the current by 90 degrees. Okay. The amplitude of the phase behavior between the voltage and current behind the ohmic value, the resistor and capacitor elements. A phasor diagram is the total voltage equal to voltage across the resistance and voltage across the capacitor. So the voltage equal to V equal to VR plus VC. VR means I into R, VC equal to I into XC. So then finally you get I equal to root over X square plus X square. So I equal to V equal to I into Z. Z equal to root over R square plus X square. Okay. This is a phasor diagram and triangle of RC circuits. The phasor diagram is because of here the lags, the voltage lags behind the current in RC circuits. Okay, in RL circuits, the voltage leads behind the circuits, leads the current by 90 degrees. Here, voltage lags behind the current by 90 degrees. Okay, Vs equal to Vc plus Vr. Here, the impedance equal to here combination of RC circuit. So we get the Z equal to impedance equal to R minus JXC. So in the rectangle, that is a rectangle form. The polar form is Z equal to in magnitude Z in angle of minus pi. So Z equal to magnitude Z equal to R root over R square plus X square minus angle of minus tan pi angle is pi equal to tan inverse of minus XC by R. The phase angle is negative for capacitive load. The phase angle is positive for inductive load. The voltage and current waveforms are here. The starting at the voltage is Vm by sin omega t, but current value is V equal to I equal to Im sin omega t plus 90 degrees. From phasor diagram, in clear that the supply voltage lags the behind. The current is I by the phase angle pi. The current leads the voltage by pi. So I equal to Im sin omega t plus pi. V equal to V sin omega t. And the voltage current equations are V of t equal to Vm into sin omega t and Vm equal to minus pi. And impedance is Z equal to R minus JXC. Z equal to Z equal to R plus JX. The average power on RC circuits and the RL circuit P average is equal to V into cos pi. But in the RC circuits, RL circuits and RC circuit both are V average equal to VA cos pi. The average of RL circuits equal to average power consumed by the R plus average consumed by the C. P average equal to V average by. So P average equal to P into V into cos pi. Okay. Okay, the problems is the circuit diagram combination of VR plus VL. This is RLC circuits. I equal to 414 into sin 2 pi of t, and the series circuit, the resistance value is 100 ohms. So the inductance is 0.31 Henry. To find the intensity values voltage across the RR, VR plus VL plus total voltage. Total you find out the VR plus VR, VL plus V. Psi equal to 1.44. For was sine 2 omega t. So sine 2 pi of t means 2 pi of f equal to 50 edges. So r equal to 100, L equal to 0.13. So xl equal to 2 pi fl. 2 pi fl means 2 into f into L. So r equal to 100 ohms and xl equal to 100 ohms. Now find the VR. Voltage across the first one is you have to find out the voltage across the resistance. We have voltage across the resistance formula is I into R. So I value is 4.44 sine omega t and 100 into 100 on 141.4 into sin omega. This is voltage across the resistance. And again, voltage across the inductance is same. Okay, plus 90 degrees. The current is by 90 degrees. Okay. Next one is both combination of V equal to VR plus VL. So VR equal to 100 and j omega, and this one is VL equal to 100 volts. So 100 plus 0 of j100. So 100 plus j of 100, 141 for 42. So VM maximum voltage equal to root 2 into 141 plus 420 into is equal to 200. Okay. So finally you get the voltage is V equal to 200 into sin 2 pi into 50 t plus 45 degrees. Okay. And RC circuits also both the circuits is R equal to 120 ohms, the X equal to 250 ohms, A equal to 0.9, Z equal to R minus JXC. Okay, and the power factor is cos pi equal to cos of minus 64 degrees, 0.53 leading. The supply voltage equal to V into Z, VR equal to I into R, VC equal to P into QC. The active power equal to V into cos pi. V into cos pi is a active power, reactive power means V into sin pi. For sin pi is, so reactive power is minus 202 VAR, reactive power is 97 is watts. Okay, thank you.